Hello everyone, welcome to the yarn bowl. Today we are going to see how to crochet this cute little earrings made from crochet thread. It's a very simple and easy pattern and makes a wonderful gift idea. Meanwhile, if you are new to this channel, please do not forget to subscribe to the yarn bowl and click on the bell icon as well so that you get notified whenever I post a new video. Also, please do not forget to like us on Facebook and follow us on Instagram to get more updates. So for this earrings, I'm using hot pink crochet thread and 1.25 millimeter crochet hook. So row 1 would be magic ring and then chain 1. 8 single crochet around the magic ring, and you end this row by working a slip stitch on top of our starting single crochet, and then you tighten your magic ring and secure it with a knot. Row 2 would be chain 1, single crochet on the single crochet of the previous row, and then work 5 chains. 3, 4, 5 chains, and then single crochet on top of the next single crochet, and then chain 5. Work single crochet on top of next single crochet around, and only in the last chain 5 space you are going to work differently. You work single crochet, chain 2, and we work 1 double crochet on top of starting single crochet, so that we are in the middle of our chain 5 space. So that's why we work our last chain 5 space like that. So we work for the last chain 5 space, we work chain 2 and then we work 1 double crochet on starting single crochet. So keep working like this around. We will meet at the end. So now you can see I'm working a double crochet on my starting single crochet, so that my hook is already in the middle of the chain 5 space. So now for row 3 I am working chain 1, single crochet on the chain 5 space, and then work chain 3, 3 double crochet on the same chain 5 space, and then we work 1 single crochet on the next chain 5 space, and then work chain 5, 3 double crochet on the same chain 5 space. So if you see, for the first chain 5 space we worked chain 3 and 3 double crochet, and for the next chain 5 space we work chain 5 and 3 double crochet. So it will basically create a square like formation. So for the next chain 5 space we worked single crochet, chain 3 and 3 double crochet, and in the next chain we will be working single crochet, chain 5 and 3 double crochet. So we are going to alternate between that around, and then at the end of this row we will work 1 slip stitch on starting single crochet and end this row. So with this our earring would be completed, and then we can work a slip stitch and fasten off, weave our ends. Now my earring pattern is complete. I worked a slip stitch. Now I'll be weaving my ends and cut off my excess crochet thread, and then I will be blocking my work by using white glue. I will use equal parts of glue and water and dip my work in that, and then take it out and air dry it on a flat surface for at least a day, and then your work should stiffen up. Now you can see that it's not stiffened, and it's not good enough. It will not be good enough to be a earring as is. So we need to block it and stiffen it using white glue and water. So the method that I use is white glue and water, and if you also have a ready-made starch that you have, you can also use that to stiffen your work. So here is my work. Once it's blocked, you can see it's nice and stiffened, and now we can attach the earring hoops to it, and then our earrings will be ready. So I'm just adding in one hoop to the chain 5 loop of my last row, and then do the same with the other one as well. So now my earring is ready. I hope this is super simple and easy, and see, look how cute this earring is, and it can be made in few minutes and makes a wonderful gift. I hope you found this pattern to be easy and easy to follow along. Please try this at home and let me know your comments. Please do not forget to subscribe to the Yarn Bowl and click on the bell icon as well. Thanks for watching. Bye.